Hello guys. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to integrate custom HTML to WordPress. So before we proceed, we need to check everything is up to date or not first. So here is our refreshed as WordPress dashboard. So we need to check our theme is up to date or not. As you can see, WordPress 5.8.2 is running. So WordPress is up to date. Next, we need to check the plugins as well. Uh, Plugins are up to date or not. You can see all the plugins are up to date. Okay. So in WordPress, you can see in our dashboard and appearance from themes, and there are three themes already over there. So we'll use always um, a recent themes like 2021. Okay, so this is our recent updated theme. So before we proceed, we need to create a child theme first. So how can we create a child theme? So go to the plugin here, click add new option, and here we can search child child theme. Okay, so can see the first plugin is called child theme configurator. So this is the plugin. Using this plugin we can create a child theme first. You can see the child theme already activated over there, so it's already activated. Okay, you can see in the tool setting you can see the option called child themes. Okay, so go to child themes. So this is where we can create a child theme. Okay, so before we proceed, we need to we need to open our FileZilla first, where all the WordPress files are staying. Okay, so go to the FileZilla. So here is the FileZilla. We already connected to the server using FileZilla application. So this is our main WordPress files. Okay, so in WordPress you can see the main folder is wp admin, wp content, and wp includes. Okay, so always you need to work on wp content folder. WP admin and WP includes is a core files. Don't ever touch these files. Okay, we don't need to touch this folder. Always we'll work on WP content folder. So click on it. So once you click on it, WP content, you can see there is a folder called themes. Okay, so click on themes folder. So once you click on theme folder, you can see there are three themes already over there: Elam, Mira, and 2021. Okay, but we will always use a recent theme as per WordPress. So the updated theme is 2021, and Elam and Mira, actually we don't need that, so we will delete this theme basically. Okay, so for removing this theme, go to appearance. Okay, you can see these themes. Just click on here, and at the right or bottom area you can see the delete button. Okay, just remove this. Okay, same this one, need to remove this. We will always clean up the backend so that WordPress dashboard will be lightweight. Okay, so go to FileZilla again, and just refresh this folder. Here you can see, once you refreshed, you can see the both folders has gone, right? So here is the main folder 2021. Suppose our project name is HTML, ARW, whatever your project name is. Always rename this folder with your project name. Okay, suppose our project name is uh, WordPress there. So this is our project name. So always define in the project name as a folder. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see all the themes folder are over there. Okay, so this is our main files, main theme files for 2021 theme. Okay, so once you open this folder, in the main theme folder, you can see at the bottom style.css. Okay, so we need to configure this style.css so that you can change this text. Okay, in this area we need to add our project name like a wp dev codes, whatever you need. So how can we change this? Okay, so in your style.css file, just open this file. Okay, view and edit. Okay, you can see the style.css file has been opened up. Okay, so there you can see 2021. So we need to change this first. The theme name is called as per our project name, like wordpress dev. Okay, so up once you scroll down, you can see there are multiple css already over there. Actually these css are default as per wordpress theme, and we don't need that. That's because we are using custom based WordPress theme, so we don't need this CSS at all. So what we need to do, we need to delete all these things. Okay, so just copy this one first, bus this one. Okay, we need to copy this. You can cut this actually, and control a, select and remove all this file and then paste it. Okay, so you can see uh, this file, this text we need to show off always, and we don't need a unnecessary css. Okay, as because we are using custom based wordpress development. So once you remove those things, just save this file. So once you saved, go to FileZilla. So once you click FileZilla, you can see there will be open up pop-up. Okay, and we need to update this file so that this file has to be updated on the server as well. And here you can see also finish editing and delete local file. Don't need to check this actually. Just click on yes button. Okay, so once you click, you can see the files are updating to the server. Now can see files has been updated. Okay, now go to your WordPress dashboard and just refresh this one. So once you refreshed, you can see your theme name has been changed. Just we need to activate this one first. Just activate the theme. Okay, so you can see the theme has been changed. Okay, theme's name has been changed to WordPress theme. Now we need to create a child theme first, as because we will not use a parent theme actually. So we need to create a child theme first. So how we can create a child theme? So already we have installed child theme. So in the left side dashboard area, you can see the option called tools. Once you hover this, you can see at the bottom the option called child theme. Okay, so click on child themes. So once you click on child theme, you can see our main theme folder name is WordPress dev. Okay, so we need to create a child theme for this one. Okay, just click on analyze. Once you click on analyze, you can see some files has been updated, and we need, you can see our theme directory name should be for the child theme is WordPress child, WordPress dev child. Okay, now scroll down and just create new child theme button. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see it's checking and it's updating. Okay, you can see the child theme doesn't load configure style sheet. Actually we can ignore this part actually. Okay, now go to appearance and themes. You can see our WordPress child theme has been created. So this is the parent theme and this is the child theme. So we, as we are working on child theme, so we need to activate this theme first. Okay, so once we activated this theme, you can see new theme has been activated. Okay, also you can see the site. So this is the site actually for now. Now go to the FileZilla area. Here you can see this is our main theme WordPress div. Just refresh this one first. Once we refreshed, you can see our child theme folder has been updated in FileZilla as well. Here you can see our child theme. Just so before we go to our WordPress child theme, we need to copy some files from the parent theme. So this is our parent theme. Okay, here you can see. So we need some files from parent theme actually. Okay, just select all this file first, and actually we don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Style.css and function.php, comments.php, archive.php. Okay, and also this one, this one, this one, this one. These files are no needed actually for now. So all these selected file needs to be moved to our child theme. Okay, so before we proceed, we need to download all these files. So click on right click. So once you right click, you can see there is an option called download. Okay, just click download button. So once you click download, all these files should be downloaded from your PC. On your PC, this is our local. All this file has been downloaded here. Okay, now we need to move these files to the child theme. So click on here. uh, okay, now you can see the child theme. Just click on child theme folder, select all these files and upload. So once you upload, you can see all these files going to transfer to the child theme. Here is the WordPress child theme folder. So you can see our files are coming from our local. So all files has been moved, I think. Yeah, files are moved. Okay, now files, the default WordPress files has been moved. Now we need to move our custom HTML file. So this is our custom HTML files: CSS folder, fonts folder, images folder, and JS folder, and this is the main home page. Okay, so first of all we need to select this folder. Okay, and just drag this folder, and we can drop here. Okay, into our WordPress child theme. So you can see all the folders are moving into our child theme folder. Okay, so once moved all these folders and files to move our main front page, and the main in home.html. So this is our main home page actually. If you want to see this home page, just can see actually uh, okay, this is the HTML, custom HTML. Okay, you can see this is our custom HTML. This HTML needs to be integrated to the WordPress. You can see this is our WordPress URL, html.wpdevcodes.com. So you can see there is nothing about the site. Okay, we need to move this. We need to integrate this HTML to this URL. Okay, let's go. So now, okay, now we um, need to integrate the home.html. Okay, so go to your FileZilla. So here we need to create a templates folder first. first for home page, for about us page, for contact us page, for all the pages actually. So for the better practice, standard practice, we need to always create a folder called you can see once you right click here, you can see the create directory. Okay, just click. So we need to create a directory first called page templates. Okay, so once page templates folder created, okay, you can see the page templates folder has been created. Okay, so in this folder actually we will create all the custom HTML templates for WordPress, so that we can easily identify the templates are coming through page templates folder. Okay, so first, so this is our HTML, just drag and drop here. Okay, so once it's moved, it's moved, right? So we need to rename this file first. Okay, it's called home.php. Okay, we'll rename this file and with the home.php. Okay, so just open this php file now. Okay, view and edit. Okay, you can see the home.php file has been opened up in editor. You can use there are multiple editors you can use, like a Sublime, like a Komodo editor. I am using a Komodo editor. Okay, so you can see home.php file has been opened. Okay, and I already shown you that this is our custom HTML file. So this is in this custom HTML, you can see this is the header part. Okay, this is the header part, and this is the footer part. Okay, and header and footer should be global always. Okay, so we need to integrate header and footer first. So how can we identify what is footer and what is header? So you can see, you can if you right click here and you can see inspect. Okay, once you inspect, you can see that this is your header part area. So header is ending here, right? So this is your header area, and this part like a footer. Okay, this is the footer HTML. So we need to integrate header first, then we will integrate the footer. So how we can integrate the header part? Okay, so in home.html, home.php, so before we proceed, we need to open header and footer php file as well. Just click on here. So okay, you can see in our WordPress child theme, we already moved a default footer.php and header.php file, right? So open this file first, yeah, for editing footer.php, same as header.php. Okay, now we'll integrate header.php first. Okay, so footer.php already opened up, and header.php also, right? So go to your home.php file. Okay, custom HTML file. So here you can see header is ending here, right? So we need to cut this part first. Is the header file. Just cut this part. Okay, and go to the header.php file. Okay, so this is our default header.php along with WordPress default code. Okay, so after meta description, just enter, and this is the unnecessary code for us, as because we are going to implement a custom based WordPress, so we don't need that. Just remove this part and paste our custom header coding. Okay, this is our custom header part. Okay, you can see already doc type HTML and HTML tag and a head tag already over there, so we don't need that. Just remove these. Okay, okay, now we removed, and okay. Now you can see there are the css file called bootstrap style.css and font awesome all.css and animate cs. Okay, now we need to connect this path. Okay, how we can connect this path? We already know we are using a child theme, so this is our child theme folder and this is the main path. Okay, so here is the main path, so this is our main path url. Actually, just copy this path. Okay, you can see, just copy this part and go to the header dot file and just paste it here. Okay, just paste and add a slash here. So now it's connected to the child theme folder for bootstrap main.css, same as style.css, same as for font awesome css. Okay, and same as for animation css. Now all this file connected to the WordPress a child theme. Okay, now you can see here is also a image called logo.png. You need to connect this image as well. Okay, same things we need to do here, just copy and paste it the folder location. Okay, so now there are no images over there. Now we can save. So before we save the header.php file, you can see there is a head tag and below the head tag there is a body tag. So before head tag, okay, where head tag is closing, so before head tag we need to always add a function called php wp head. So this function needs to be added always before the head tag. Okay, and in the body tag we'll always use a function called uh, body body class. Okay, so this function, for this body class function always create a class for individual pages. Okay, and for this head tag, their WordPress function and css files and js files are always to be connected. Okay, now we can save this. Once you save this, okay, go to your FileZilla again. So once you click on FileZilla icon, you can see there need to update the files, and you can see the pop-up is appearing again. Just click on yes button. So once you click on it, you can see the updated files has to be transferred to the server. Now it's updated. Okay, same using same method we will integrate the footer.php file. So go to the home page, home.php file again. So we already took the header part. Now we will see where is our footer part. Now this one, you can see this is our footer part. So just copy. So here is our footer. Select this code first. So once you select it, just cut this one. Okay, now go to your footer.php file. In footer.php file we don't need that actually. That's because we are going to implement a custom based WordPress. So just remove this first. Okay, so once you remove and then pasted your footer code from the HTML you have copied. Okay, now we will use same thing, same method to connect the file. Okay, so again go to your WordPress child theme folder, just copy this first. Okay, copy and go to here, paste it. Okay, okay, and we need to find if any images is there. No, there are no images over there, so we are good to go. Okay, before we save this file, you can, we already see that before the head tag, okay, we use our wp head, and same things we need to do for footer.php as well. uh, Before the body tag or the body tag close, we need to add a function called wp footer. Okay, so okay this is the function called wp footer. Okay, now we can save this. Once you save this, you can click FileZilla icon and save the file again. Okay, so once you save the this changes has been updated to the server as well. Okay, okay, now our header.php file and footer.php file has been integrated to the WordPress. Now we need to integrate our home.php file. So this is the body. Okay, for the home page, this is the body part. So this is the body. So before the body we need to add header, and at the bottom we need to add footer. Okay, so home page, so this is the custom based home page HTML, and we need to use as a template. Okay, so how we can define this page as a template? So there is a syntax for our template creation. Okay, we need to do that PHP. Then uh, this is the syntax. This is the syntax for creating a template name. So we will define this page as a home page. Okay, home page. Now, we need to add the header.php file. So how we can call the header file here? So there is a function called get header. So this is the function to call the header file. So this header.php will be called here. Get header is a function. It will call the header file. So now we need to scroll down to the bottom and we need to call the footer. So how we can call the footer? So same, there is a function in WordPress called w get footer. So use PHP syntax and add get footer. Okay, this is the get footer. Okay, so now header and footer has been connected to home page. Okay, this is the template name called home page. Now you can see there are multiple images. Okay, now we need to connect the images file. So how you can connect? Same things, just go to here. This is the main path from wp content. Just copy this path. Okay, and paste it. We put the images. Okay, this image has been connected, and scroll down to check if there are images. Now you can see there is images again. Just connect it again. You need to connect this image. Again you need to connect this image. Again you need to connect this image. Here you can see also image. Just connect all of these images first. Okay, now all of these images are connected to the WordPress child theme path. Okay, now we can save this file, home.php file. You can save, just control s, saved. Go to FileZilla icon, then yes button. Now it's going to update. Okay, you can see. Okay, now it's updated. Now we need to go our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so before we proceed, we need to check if there are any pages are created or not. So go to a pages. Okay, you can see the home page already we have created from this area. Just click on home page. Okay, so once you click on home page, you can see at the right of the area, right side, template. Okay, so this is this home page. So where this template is coming through, you can see in the home.php file we have added a template name called home page. Okay, so like this way we can create a templates for multiple pages, like a about us page, like a contact us page, like a services dot page. So for as this is a home page, that's why we added template name as a home page. Okay, so now it's can select this page as a template called home page and then update this page. So once you update this page, now you can see page has been updated. Let's go to this page for view. You can see our custom HTML has been integrated to the WordPress. So you can see this is our custom HTML and this is our website called html.wpdevcodes.com. So the custom HTML has been integrated to the WordPress. Okay, um, I hope you understand the things how we can integrate the HTML to the WordPress. Okay, so in our next tutorial we will discuss how to dynamic the pages, how to edit the contents, how to edit the images, how to manage the menus. Okay, how to manage the footer area. Everything we will discuss in our next tutorial for dynamic the pages. Till then, take care. Bye bye.